Hi, my name is Rajul Malde. I'm the Commercial Director of Pwani Oil Products here in Mombasa in Kilifi County. We are here at our brand new facility that is responsible for manufacturing home care and personal care products. This is a whole new venture where Pwani decided to invest in changing the range of products that we have traditionally been doing, from edible oil and soaps and laundry products, to now getting into a wider range of home care and also enter more deeper into the personal care category after our Sour soap and Diva soap and Detrix soap. The capacities of these plants in home care will produce approximately 40 tons of product of dishwash paste, dishwash liquid, floor cleaners and other cleaners that are used in the home. And it will also produce 12 tons of product a day in the personal care category, including jellies in milking jelly, petroleum jelly, lotions and creams, apart from soaps that we already manufacture. This facility that you see around you is one of its kind here in Kenya and in East Africa. Microbial, covered, no doo-doos or insects inside your products, guaranteed. The shelf life for the product extended beyond 2.5 years. There is a guarantee from us that we produce only the best in terms of what the consumer requires. Why did we get into this? We got into this because from our consumer research, right from the last 8 years that we've continuously been talking to consumers all over the country, it became clear and apparent to us that there are gaps in terms of what other manufacturers are providing to the Kenyan consumer, and this is what we wanted to kill. So if we talk about a dishwash paste, for example, dishwash paste traditionally is about cleaning dishes and sufurias, but they talk about grease. But consumer today wants things beyond the grease stripping ability. What about freshness? What about the scent in the kitchen? What about the aroma around it? So grease is a given, but beyond that, we want to produce a product that will provide them with the freshness, with the grease gone. And therefore, we introduce Ushindi in terms of the dishwash paste and the dishwash liquid products. We also have recently launched a floor cleaner. The uniqueness in the floor cleaner, based on feedback again from consumers, is that whilst the floor cleaners clean floors, they don't do anything apart from cleaning floors. So cleaning floors for a floor cleaner, guys, floor cleaners clean floors, and we know that. But what else can the floor cleaner do outside of cleaning floors? And we said we could repel insects, flies and mosquitoes and cockroaches that infest floors and underfloors, and we will get rid of those with our new multi-floor cleaner, because we have some ingredients in there, including citronella oil, that will repel insects, mosquitoes and flies. We have most recently introduced and launched a sour milking jelly. The sour milking jelly boasts of 3 key utilities. 1, it comes in a friendly container that can be put into a purse or kept in store or kept in the car without thinking about it melting or leaking from the container. Second, it is easy to remove the milking jelly from the container because the containers are wide-mouthed and short and stout. And 3, and probably the most important for people who use a milking jelly for purposes of skin, it does not shine, but it gets easily absorbed on the pores, keeping your pores clean and giving you a long-lasting freshness and moisturizing appeal. Because of this new facility, we are launching in the next 2-3 weeks a brand new sour body wash. Sour body wash will come in 3 varieties: in aloe vera, in rose and in original white. The key part or the differentiator in the sour body wash is about body cleaning, and it provides to you the cleansing and moisturizing ability. But in as far as the sour body wash is concerned, it comes with encapsulated moisturizing pigments that go inside the body wash, that once you scrub the body wash on your body, it gives you that moisturizing impact instantaneously that does not wash away with water when rinsing. The next one that will be coming soon will be a petroleum jelly. The petroleum jelly will be packaged in a brand new, fancy, consumer-friendly packaging container, providing the same moisturizing that our milking jelly produces and provides, but also gives you utility post-use of the container that we'll be coming out with. Watch this space for that. Eventually, we will come out with our new lotion. Sour body lotion will be coming into the market hopefully around about the September-October period of this year, and that will be introduced with another key USP that the consumer so desperately requires, but no manufacturer is able to provide, and we'll give you more details about that when we are closer to the launch. Pwani, in terms of its home and personal care products, is ISO 22716 qualified. That means that we are not just environmentally or manufacturing-wise efficient and standard operating procedures in place, but also we are home care and food care compliant. So our compliance in home and personal care products is to the levels of hygiene, quality and clarity of product to what a food manufacturing industry would require. This means three things. It means, number one, product is not in contact with any human being in its entire manufacturing process. Two, it is packaged in ergonomical conditions, meaning under temperature control systems, and ensuring that there is absolutely no contamination of any sort from the atmosphere in terms of bacterial, fungal or viral.
Good. Any closing remarks? Oh, sorry, before we get to closing remarks, speak about the sustainability aspect of this power, wastewater, any other.
We have invested heavily over the last 3 years in ensuring that we become environmentally sustainable. If we talk about wastewater, we are recycling our water through our effluent treatment plant and our water purifiers to bring back rainwater harvests and plant-produced water back into process. We have installed a solar power plant all across the factory where we produce 1.2 megawatts of our own solar power, and we produce 1.4 megawatts of steam turbine generated power. From a rainwater harvesting perspective, the next project will be to start looking at how we can create turbulence from the rainwater to be able to create hydroelectric power. So from a power perspective, from a steam consumption perspective, from all leakages and efficient manufacturing processes perspective, we have recently been recognized by the Kenya Association of Manufacturers Global Kenyan National Energy Awards by being awarded the second best energy efficient company in Kenya. I want to urge Kenyans and Kenya in its overall sense that we in Pwani strive to ensure that we provide to you the solutions to the pain areas in your daily consumption of consumer products. Try us because we have a reason to be. We will not just be another Me Too.
Nozzles like fall down, and then they open up and down, they dispense the product itself, and then after the bottles are filled, they move forward.
Okay.
So it runs in a continuous cycle like that, and then there's always a bottle feeder on the other side who comes, and then the cycle just repeats.
And that is the tank?
Yes, that's the buffer tank itself.
Feeding, and therefore that should be labeled on top, yeah, because we are Pwani, we are not Maharshi.
Just simple thing, the bottles come pre-labeled, we fill and then we pack on the other side.
Capping?
Cupping is, we have a cupping machine at the front, where like does cupping of the bottle itself, and then after cupping is
Talk about the quality check.
Oh, so the quality check of the product has to be clear, should not have any particles, and then for the visibility part of it, we look at the label. It has to be labeled both front and back, and then the proper coding has to be done.
Good.
Like once you use it, you won't go back to any other product.
And so, you know your washambas wanasimama pale nyuma wanacheka because I said it is expensive. Hii RRP yake hii RRP kuna vile.
But it's cheaper than the competitors, so we'll sell the product.
2 SKUs available. In the market.
Only 2 first?
Yeah, 2
I thought we are going 3.
We'll do a smaller one in the next 2 months.
It's Mashi branded, unfortunately, but we put our label here. We do our adjustments. We adjust either upwards or downwards, and then like the bottle, there's a sensor that senses the bottle and then dispenses the front label and also the back label at the same time. So it's something that we
Some coverage, although we did it so late after everyone else. But even after that, we've done an opinion. That's what I was asking about. He's yet to approve. And then he killed the story with remove some of the numbers. Hola. Now open.
Open.
Yanze.
Water here, we have the wax making phase and the liquid phase. So we are making the product, bring all together, and then mix them inside this the tank. So that after the mixing is happening, after the mixing is happening, we add the perfume and the color so that we get the right product inside. There's a lot of things happening.
Close now. Haya.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You may go. No, we are changing that. I will do it already. But we got from far.
Speaking of technology,
Because this high hygiene, medium hygiene, low hygiene. That's why they're different. So someone working there cannot.
In the office. So this investment story